Uh-oh, that means she's got to let me in.
Thank you. All right, bye-bye.
Hey
there.
See my new toy?
Oh, it's not even Christmas yet. What kind of thing is that?
This is a pocket-sized video recorder that takes the motion out of anything that you're doing. $350.
Okay. So how can I help you?
I came to you with this script.
Well, let me see. Okay.
I want to read it to you aloud from my recording.
It has my name on it.
Yeah, I got Kimberly.
Can I read it while you read it?
I'm here to request a face-to-face meeting with Judge Keough. Prior to my hearing in County Court 3, Judge Patrice McDonald, on December 4th at 9 a.m. regarding cause number 19-03-04047 in the matter of marriage of Jane Thompson Herron versus Winston Charles Herron.
Was that a divorce?
Earlier today, I forwarded my motion for hearing on objections and continuance filed with the court on November 27, 2019. Exhibit C of which requests dismissal of the case due to Mrs. Herron's actions, the latest of which involved locking me out of my home and threatening action by the local law enforcement officials if I attempted to re-enter the property yesterday evening. I called the sheriff's office to discuss the incident and my recourse to resolve it. The matter was referred to Constable Deputy Rick Fott, who contacted Mrs. Herron at her cell phone number provided by me. Someone answered the phone but refused to speak to him, and after he properly identified himself, Deputy Fott reported back to me that incident number 19D040320 full report could be obtained from the public records of the sheriff's office. I have not yet tried to obtain that report.
Okay.
When I tried to obtain it, they say it takes 10 days to get it.
Okay, I'm way ahead of you. I already got down here to the bottom. What is it that you're wanting me to do for you, Mr.
I want to set up a face-to-face meeting with Judge Keough to discuss this whole business. I've asked him via telephone.
The way that they handle you or what? Because
I am being, I have accused the court of
which court?
County Court number 3.
Right. Patrice McDonald.
Yeah, Patrice McDonald.
Because from what I understand, she's an elected official. The constable is an elected official. And what do you want Judge Keough to do?
I want to talk to Judge Keough about how to resolve the situation with the court. Your website, says that the Commissioner's Court is, the governing entity of Montgomery County, in charge of law enforcement, judicial,
budget.
Yeah, everything. Yeah. And we've got a real problem here. And what I'm going to use this recording for is to take my case before the 9th District Court of Appeals in Beaumont and get them to file a writ of mandamus against the
against Patrice McDonald?
The court, yeah.
Well, that's probably then what you should go ahead and do. Because I don't think there's anything that the Commissioner's Court can do about that. That's what my understanding is.
Okay. Well, like I say, I'm recording this so it'll all go into my case for the...
Yes. Well, let me have this copy real quick. Let me go...
Now, I've also gotten in here...
Can I make a copy or just get it real quick?
You can have this one. See, it keeps my hand from shaking. It doesn't keep my hand from shaking. It keeps it busy.
Oh, I see. That's cool.
I've put so much effort into this, and they're trying to screw me. You know,
well, I just want you to go to the right person.
Well, I need to get, you know, the guy who, Millsap, he sent the judge to, he sent the constable to my place with the guy from Mental Health Services, okay? These people need to go to see my wife.
Well, did you call them?
Did I call who?
The mental health people.
No.
You call them. And
you send them. You know, he sent them to me. He sent them to me because I sent this note through to you with this picture on it.
Well, I know, but I don't think we need to be involved with that.
Well, I think you do. There he is, right there. This thing is not sent. Now this, I was going to send to the judge, and this is attempted murder. That's what's happening to me, okay? Now, whether you think it or not, I'm going to send this, put this on the recording also, and, you know, I need you to get your constable and your mental health services to see my wife. She's locked me out of the house. The divorce case is not settled. I'm going to court on December 4th at 9 a.m. and I invited the judge to go to the session that was supposed to happen on November 21st. Nobody came. This is the only way I can bring it to anyone's attention, by putting myself in a situation like this. You know, you're hanging me, you're killing me, because I have atrial fibrillation, AFib. I've been diagnosed with it. And if I have a stroke or a heart attack before this is resolved, you know, it's your fault. So you can have that, have that. This is about the administrative judge, what he does and all that. And Judge Keough is the administrator. This I get, the only thing I get about writ of mandamus and how to file it is from Google. You don't get it from Texas Help, Texas Law Help. You put writ of mandamus in there, nothing. But writ of mandamus is the only way to resolve this thing. And I'm going to pursue it.
If, as you mentioned, you want someone to go check out your wife, if you are serious about that, you're welcome to go down to the county attorney's office and inquire about the process of going through and getting a mental health.
I'm not doing any more county attorney